This video will show you how to install a Rubbermaid FastTrack customizable closet. First, measure the height and width of your closet space to plan your layout. Before installing the hangrail, use a stud finder to mark each of your studs. Hold your FastTrack rails level at your desired height, 88 inches is standard, and mark all of the holes with a pencil. Drill all of your marked holes with a 1/8 inch drill bit. Install the rail screws through the rail and into the wall holes to secure the rail. Hang the FastTrack uprights on the rail. Position the uprights so that there is no more than 8 inches of unsupported shelving at the end of each shelf. Position the other uprights so there is no more than 32 inches of space between them. In order to use FastTrack accessories, place uprights 23 inches apart center to center. Mark the holes underneath the rail and near the bottom of each upright, and drill 1/8 inch pilot holes if the marked locations are over a stud. If there is no stud at the marked location, first drill a pilot hole with a 5/16 inch bit and insert a wall anchor. Fasten each upright with screws in the drilled holes. Attach the wire shelf brackets to the uprights at the desired heights. 84 inches and 42 inches are standard. Attach your shelving to the brackets by pushing down and sliding into place. Install any wire or wood accessories by placing them into the inner slots of the uprights in a similar fashion to the shelving brackets. Finally, install the appropriate end caps and spacer caps to the ends of the shelving. Congratulations! You installed your Rubbermaid FastTrack customizable closet. Now, you can store your items and easily adjust your closet when your needs change.